Exercise 13.5, question number 6. A village having a population of 4,000 requires 150 liters of water per head per day. It has a tank measuring 20 meter by 15 meter by 6 meter. For how many days will the water of this tank last? This is the question. Okay. So, they are given that 4,000 people, each one requires 150 liters. Okay. And the length, breadth and height of the tank is given. They ask you to find out for this water in this tank, how many days it lasts. Okay. Suppose water lasts in the tank for X days if we are considering. Then by given data you can write X days into 4,000 people into 150 liters. That is same as volume of the tank. What is the length, breadth and height of the tank is given? 20 into 15 into 6 meter cube. Okay. So, meter cube they ask you to find out in liters. So, what we have to do means, first in the right side value you have to convert meter cube into liter. So, what is the rule? Meter cube converting to liter, we must multiply it by 1000. So, x into 4000 into 150 equal to 20 into 15 into 6 into 1000. Understood, children? Why I am writing into 1000? Because this is in meter cube. I am converting that meter cube into liters. Okay. Then find out the number of days is represented by x. That only they ask you to find out. So, x equal to 20 into 15 into 6 into 1000 whole divided by 4000 into 150. This and this get cancelled. Here 2 zeros, this 2 0 I cancel, this 1 0 and this 1 0 I cancel. Okay. The balance is 15 and 15 I cancel, 2 and 4 2 times, 2 and 6 3 times. Okay. So, the number of days x is equal to 3 days. So, the water will last for how many days, children? 3 days. Understood clearly? Question number 7, Kumba. Question number 8. A solid cube of side 12 centimeter is cut into 8 cubes of equal volumes. Okay. So, we are having a big cube. What is the side of the big cube? 12 centimeter. It is cutting into how many cubes? 8 cubes of equal volume. Okay. What will be the side of the new cube? So, the small cube's side measure first we must find out. For that they are given the clue that a cube of side 12 centimeter. So, volume of a cube of side 12 centimeter, that must be equal to what? Volume of cube of side x, that we don't know, x of 8 cubes. Okay. Understood? So, write let x centimeter be the, let x centimeter be the side of new cube. Side of new cube. Therefore, by given data, what you can write? Volume of 8 cubes of side x, that is equal to volume of the big cube of side 12, isn't it? So, volume of 8 into volume of cube of side x centimeter equal to volume of cube of side 12. Volume of cube of side 12 centimeter. So, what is the formula for volume of cube? A cube, cubic unit. Okay. So, 8 into The side is x. So 8x cube you are getting that as volume of side is 12. So 12 cube. Since volume of cube is equal to A cube, cubic units. Okay. This formula I am applying here. So x cube equal to 12 cube divided by 8. That is 12 into 12 into 12. 8 cube, 8 you can write 2 into 2 into 2. Isn't it? So x cube equal to 12 cube divided by 2 cube. So x is equal to cube root of 12 cube divided by 2 cube. That is equal to 12 divided by 2, that equal to 6 centimeter. So we got the value of this cube of side, new cube of side, that is 6 centimeter. Okay, so the first part of the question over. What is the second part of the question? Also find the ratio between their surface areas. So I am considering the surface areas of the new cube and old cube. Old cube means with the side 12 centimeter and new cube with the side x, that is 6 centimeter. Okay, so let S1 be the, let S1 and S2 let S1 and S2 are the volumes of, let S1 and S2. They ask you to find out the ratios of their surface areas. Okay, that is the reason I am writing S as the representation. Let S1 and X2 be the surface areas of cubes of sides 12 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. They ask you to find out S1 divided by S2. S1 by S2. S1 I am representing a cube of side 12 centimeter. So what will be the cube total surface area of a cube? 6a square, isn't it? So 6a square, here a is 12. So 6 into 12 square divided by 6 into, here side is 6. So 6 square. That is 6 into 12 into 12 divided by 6 into 6 into 6. 6 and 6 get cancelled. This 6, this one, this. So 4 divided by 1. Therefore, S1 is to S2 is equal to 4 is to 1. Understood clearly, children? Then see the last question from this exercise. Question number 9. A river 3 meter deep and 40 meter wide is flowing at the rate of 2 kilometers per hour. How much water will fall into the sea in a minute? Okay. So how much water fall into the sea in a minute means we must find out what volume of water, isn't it? So volume of water, you must see that it is a cuboidal shape. They are given the height and a river 3 meter deep means height is, that is depth is 3 meter and the width is 40 meter. So width is equal to 40 meter and depth is same as height h is equal to 3 meter. These are the two values given in this question. Okay. We must find out the length of the cuboid, isn't it? So then only we can say that length into breadth into height will be the volume. Instead of given the length of the cuboid, they are given water flowing at the rate of 2 kilometers per hour. Okay. So let L be the length of the river you have to consider. Let L be the length of river. Okay. Then length of river is here length of cuboid. Okay. It is equal to the distance travelled by water in 1 minute with the speed of 2 km per hour. So length of cuboid length of cuboid is equal to the distance traveled by water, distance traveled by water in 1 minute, at a rate of 2 kilometers per hour. Okay, this is given, this one. So, length of cuboid is equal to length of cuboid 2 kilometers. Here this and all in meter. Okay, kilometer converting into meter multiplied by 1000. So, 2000 divided by hour. Here we want to find out in minute, isn't it? In minute. So, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So, we will get 0 and 0 get cancelled. 100 divided by 3 meter. This is the length of the cuboid. Breadth and height we know. So, next we must find out the volume of water. Volume of water is equal to volume of water. That is equal to LBH, cubic units. That is L. Our L value is 100 by 3. B, breadth 40 and height 3. So, 3 and 3 get cancelled. 100 into 40. 1 followed by this much meter cube. So, that will be the answer. If they ask you to find out in terms of liter, what you have to do? Meter cube convert into liter, multiply by 1000. They didn't ask to find out in liter. So, I am stopping here. Okay. Understood clearly, children?